minorities to other situations involving minorities.
I think now Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In commemoration of the 30th anniversary of the UNDM and 15th session of the Forum, I would like to thank to all relevant stakeholders. Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front, or Asnlf, has been here since 2014 and raising several issues about the dire situation facing ethnic minorities in Indonesia, especially in my homeland, Aceh. As an archipelago, Indonesia consists of hundreds of native ethnic minorities with different histories, backgrounds, cultures, etc. And needless to say that minorities in Indonesia, especially in some restrictive areas such as Aceh and West Papua, are often collectively subjected to violence when engaging in political activities to assert their rights. Mr. Chair, last month, exactly in this room, I repeat, last month, exactly in this room, Indonesia's human rights record was reviewed in the 4th cycle of UPR. What Indonesia reported during the session was contrary to all the reports by human rights independent experts, civil society groups, etc., with a particular reference to human rights defenders, the right to freedom of expression and peaceful assembly. Prior to the UPR session, Indonesia President has signed a decree to resolve gross human rights violations, including Aceh, through non-judicial mechanism. Human rights activists and families of victims have vehemently rejected the move, as it's clearly it's a project to whitewash gross human rights abuse and institutionalize institutionalized impunity. And it's also proof that the government is unable and unwilling to resolve the case through judicial process. In the case of Aceh, most abuse by the military have been thoroughly investigated, and there is also a provision stipulated in the Helsinki Accord to set up the human rights court. But nothing has changed, and not a single perpetrator has been brought to justice. That's why Asnlf fully support point number 1 and point number 3, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. The floor is now to feminist Kurdish voices.